Hey, food manufacturers. Today, I'm diving into something crucial for your business: achieving GMP compliance. Good manufacturing practices, or GMP, are the backbone of any successful food operation. So, let's break it down and make this checklist easy for you and your team. First, ensure your facility is clean and hygienic. We're talking about regular cleaning schedules, pest control, and proper waste management. Remember, a clean facility is a compliant facility. Next, let's talk about personnel hygiene. Train your staff thoroughly. They should always wear clean uniforms, wash their hands frequently, and understand the importance of personal hygiene. It's not just about looking good. It's about keeping the food safe. Third, document everything. Keep detailed records of your processes, training, and inspections. This documentation isn't just for show, it's a vital part of proving compliance during audits. Fourth, establish a robust quality control system. Regularly test your products and raw materials to ensure they meet safety standards. Implement corrective actions immediately if something is off. Quality assurance is your safety net. Fifth, maintain equipment properly. Regularly inspect and service all your machinery. Preventive maintenance can save you from unexpected breakdowns and compliance issues. Sixth, control your suppliers. Ensure they also comply with GMP standards. Remember, your supply chain is an extension of your own operations. Trust, but verify. Always. Lastly, stay updated with regulations. GMP standards can evolve. Subscribe to industry updates, attend workshops, and be proactive in maintaining compliance. By following this checklist, you'll not only achieve GMP compliance, but also build a reputation for excellence. So, get started today, and let's make your food manufacturing top-notch. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on running a successful food business. Stay compliant, stay successful. Stay